United States. The area surrounding the White House in Washington, D.C. witnessed a heightened security alert on Saturday evening after gunmen opened fire near the presidential complex, prompting Secret Service agents to respond, resulting in the death of the attacker. Gunmen killed after attempting to target security checkpoint near White House. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda bangwa ine moda nyuma mjinzi. Reports say the suspect approached a security checkpoint carrying a weapon in a bag before opening fire on officers stationed at the security booth. Secret Service agents immediately returned fire, critically wounding the assailant, who was transported to hospital where he was later pronounced dead. A bystander was also injured during the exchange, although the condition of the individual was not disclosed. U.S. media identified the suspect as 21-year-old Nazar Best of Maryland. Initial reports indicated that Best had a history of mental health issues and previous interactions with the Secret Services. Official sources confirmed that President Donald Trump was inside the White House at the time of the incident, where he was continuing diplomatic efforts to negotiate a peace agreement with Iran. However, he was not affected by the incident, as the Oval Office is located at a safe distance from the site of the clash. Toma developments are pangwa ido. Comment section medu za figura a more live on service to page. So subscribe or like on the bell icon.